Let's see.
Oh, I'm still taking the picture.
You better not fall. Oh, boom. Oh, don't fall, Daddy.
No.
Oh.
Sorry.
Okay.
Cut.
Okay. Oh, why is it all wet here?
Side up.
What happened here?
Green. Blue. Blue.
What are you doing?
Green.
Did you pee-pee right here? How did you do it?
Green.
You're cleaning?
You're,
What are you
good.
cleaning?
Cut.
I'll catch you. Whoa. Oh, look! Oh, and the sun is so clean up there. Oh, Mommy just washed your... That's disgusting. Oh, are you okay? Wait, calm down. Was that pretty disgusting? Did you throw up a little bit?
It was a mouse.
Worms? Were the worms trying to come out? Oh, did you put them back inside? Did you say, go back inside, go back inside? Oh, okay, cool. Cool.
A house.
Okay. Oh, back to their house? All right, cool. Wait, we're not done. Wait. Okay. I don't know how to do it. Here, I'll throw.
Fan.
Okay. I'll throw this. Oh, wait. I'll give you another one. I'll give you something else to throw up to the fan. Here, throw this. I got an idea. Oh, you did it.
Good.
One more.
1, 2, 3. Look.
You want more?
Let's
Okay, let's see. Let's see what I can find for you. Hold on. Here. Well, that looks like a pretty decoration. Yeah, that looks beautiful, actually. Oh. Okay. Here. Oh, man. Hold on. Oh. No, that's it.
Not this.
Not this. Hold on.
Auntie.
No, well, that's Daddy's underwear. We don't want to do that. Here. Oh, almost. Almost. Try it again. Oh, man. Oh, almost. Oh.
That one.
Okay. Hold on. Here.
2 more.
Okay, here. You're losing your juice, kid.
I see.